back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious cucumber watermelon lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready our simple syrup. Remember, when you make your simple syrup, you use less sugar. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We're going to take it to the stove, let it cook for about 5 minutes. When it's boiling and the water turns a little yellow, that means that the sugar has dissolved. Turn off the stove, let it sit, come to room temperature. Of course, I have my organic lemons from my garden. I am going to remove all the juice. You need about 1.5 cups of lemon juice. We're going to remove the seeds, and then we're going to start with our mini watermelon. The mini watermelons usually come out so sweet and delicious. And here, let me show you. I am going to start by digging in and making those little circles for my pitcher and for my glass. I am going to start removing these little circles, and of course, I'm going to take all the pulp out of the watermelon. This takes time, but remember, always take all the amazing pulp from the watermelon. And of course, I'm using my NutriBullet blender. I only use it for my lemonades and my smoothies. 1 cup simple syrup, 1 cup of the lemon juice. We're going to add to this 1 teaspoon of watermelon extract, color, and flavor. This really makes a difference. You could find it in the supermarkets. Look for the extracts. And here, let me add 1 teaspoon. Don't forget to add 1 little pinch of salt, any kind of salt. This is going to bring down the acidity of the lemon. And we are going to blend for just a couple of minutes. Once it's nice and blended, we're going to put it through a sifter and remove all that pulp. You really want to enjoy this amazing homemade cucumber watermelon lemonade. Let me tell you, remove that little bit of pulp so you could see through it and it looks amazing. And of course, I have 1 cucumber. I'm going to remove the edges, get a little bit of slices for the decoration, reserve them. And now the rest, I'm not going to take the skin off. All the vitamins and everything, minerals are in the skin. I'm adding a little bit of water. In total is 1 liter of water from start to end. And here I am going to blend. I'm not going to put it through a sifter. I am going to add it directly into the lemonade of the watermelon. Look how beautiful this looks. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And let me tell you, refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Of course, on my channel, you have so many different types of lemonades. I'm adding a little bit of the watermelon balls. I'm going to add some ice, and then I am going to add the lemonade. Look how beautiful this looks. It's so hot here in California that I am really going to refresh myself with this amazing combination of lemonade. Cucumber watermelon lemonade. Look at this. And when you add those little balls of the watermelon and you're enjoying your lemonade, oh my God, they really absorb all those amazing flavors. And now I am ready for my glass. Of course, on my glass, I'm going to add little balls of the watermelon. I'm going to add some ice The more ice it has, the better. And some more little balls of watermelon. And now I am ready to pour the lemonade right on the top. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. See you in a bit. Friends, I am completely done with this cucumber watermelon lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. Let's taste it. Let's refresh yourself with Gloria en la cocina. Let me tell you, the flavor and the combination of the cucumber and watermelon, just perfection made at home. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved this amazing lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing and delicious, perfect cucumber watermelon lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.